Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tech to Audio. This is just a simple video about the Chromecast with Google TV. This is in sky blue. I ordered this at the beginning of October direct from the Google store in the UK. Everywhere else you could only get the white model, and I really wanted to have something a bit different and really like the look of this sky blue. There was two delivery dates, one at the beginning of November, one in the middle of November. Both of those got cancelled, so letter of complaint later. Here it is. Okay, so I'm just going to get this unboxed. I'm not going to go through setup and all that with this because by now there's so many videos on YouTube about setting this device up and all the things you can do with it. Purchasing USB hubs with pass-through power, you can connect all kinds of extra memory to it and side load apps. It's a really cool looking device. I can't wait to get it set up. I just wanted to get this unboxed and let you guys see what the sky blue colour looked like. I know there's a few out there. This is the UK model. There's not a huge amount of the sky blue available in the UK yet. So just to let you guys see, a little box indicated it's for the remote control. Let's see what we get in there. It's nicely presented, kind of like a nice cloth rather than plastic protection wrap for it, which is nice. Might be a bit more friendly for the environment. And there's the control. I do like the sky blue. It's a bit paler than the main device, and this accent colour's nice. It's like a teal. There we go. Let's put that to one side. And the device itself. Oh, it's very small. Is there anything else in that box? No, that's it. Yeah, I think this protective cover for it is a bit more environmentally friendly than just the plastic covers you normally get. And there it is. I waited a while for this rather than have it in white. There's a reset button at the back, HDMI connector for the back of the television. And there it is next to the controller. See if there's anything else of interest in the box. As usual, get started manual. Power supply, and that's it. Oh, and a nice little extra touch. Some batteries for the remote control that are also color coordinated. They match the Google Assistant button on the remote control. That's a lovely little touch from Google there. Nice presentation. So I'm not going to go on with any more installation with it at this time. There might be a follow-up video. Like I say, this has been out quite a while now, so YouTube has got quite a lot of videos regarding the extra things you can do with this device, the setting it up and side loading apps and all that stuff. So I just thought I'd do a quick one because I've been waiting a while for this. Like I say, I'm excited to use it and just wanted to share the unboxing experience with you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let your friends know about it, and I hope to have more products to unbox with you guys soon. You all take care of yourselves. See you later. Bye.